Okay, this is it right here, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. First ride ever. Got myself an MT-03. It's used, has about 1900 miles on this. I hope you guys can hear me. I have an hour drive home. This is my first ride. The last time that I was on a fucking bicycle was about a year and a half on the MSF course. So we'll see how this goes. I got it used for about $4,000. Just a little bit of cleaning. Everything else looks good, to be honest. Tires wise, not too bad. I'm not gonna check out my plates. Did come with this thing here. I decided to keep it because why not? But yeah, we have an hour ride. I'm gonna practice a little bit on the block, and then we have an hour ride home. This fucking wind is killing me. I didn't realize how stressful riding a motorcycle would be. I kind of thought this would be a toy. Don't know if I regret it yet, but let's do this thing. So I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, we're in neutral currently. I'm gonna flip that bad boy into first, and we're going to do some mirror adjusting there, do some clutch control work. So first gear, is it rolling yet? Okay, pull that back in. Okay, let's go again. It doesn't bite till like the very end of it all. Just pull that back in. Okay, let's go again. Okay, let's pull that back in. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Let's keep going. Let's boom. Let's practice a little bit more. Pull that back in. Okay, we are moving. We're going about 20 miles an hour. I don't know what the speed limit is. The cars are upset at me, but fuck it, we ball. We're making some good progress. We're at 4,000 RPMs right now, going 18 miles an hour. I see a pothole. I'm going to try to there we go. A little bumpy, you know, New York City always full of potholes. As long as I can clear them, it should be good. Man, I hope it's not windy. Like I should probably close my visor. I'm a little afraid to go any faster than what I'm currently going. Okay. Is that turn only? Oh, it is. It is. Okay. Gonna clutch in. Going to rear brake. Downshift. Brake, brake, brake. Yes. Easy. Easy work, baby. Which is not too bad. We still got an hour and 6 minutes to go, but it is what it is. Yeah, first gear's not the gear to be riding in. Unfortunately, it seems like first gear. Okay, easy brake. Almost forgot to clutch in. Okay, what's the hold up? I kind of don't want to skip traffic unless I have to, but I'm literally like a walking noob, so I don't even know what I should be doing. But yeah, trying to get this thing home. I'm hoping that the camera doesn't die. If it dies, I'm gonna get a little set. I'll just record on my clutching in, braking, rear braking, coasting, and the clutch grab on to keep me moving. Braking, rear brake, foot down, boom, easy. I'm saying easy, just trying to hype myself up here, but we still got an hour and 5 minutes to go. I'm gonna pop this in neutral. It's pretty easy to find. Oh god, this is a little scary if you ask me. I'm gonna try to put this down and see how I feel about it. Hopefully my first gear. It did turn a little green there. Hope they're not honking at me. Okay, cool beans, clutching in, rear brake, rear brake, rear brake. Boom, easy. Oh my God, this is not too bad at all. I think as long as I stay in traffic, I'm like pretty good. I'm kind of happy that I got the MT-03 instead of the R3, because I don't think that the R3 would have allowed me to really feel this level of confidence that I'm feeling now driving, or riding. I keep saying driving, I'm so used to driving a car, but yeah, like this is not too bad. I mean, I don't know if I want to take this to work for the next couple weeks, only because I still need to practice a lot when it comes to riding, but it seems like everything else, the clutch is definitely, I wouldn't say like heavy. Going down the avenue. Shaky right there. Okay. Cool beans. Gonna clutch in. Rear brake. Brake, 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 brake. And then just stop. Yeah, I realized. Put this bad boy in neutral. I realized that with the rear brake, it's a lot easier to do it when you're doing like slow speed maneuvers. I know that I've seen like a lot of videos of that. We still got an hour and 2 minutes to go. I am burning up in this helmet, but I ended up getting the KYT Revo TT helmets. Just honestly hoping to make it home. I guess eyeballing me. What the fuck are you looking at? Oh God. Is it our light soon? No, not yet. I'm not even close to it being our light. I hope you guys can hear this. I hope you guys enjoy this, especially as a New York City resident. I feel like I don't get enough footage when it comes to like being a beginner rider in New York City. I'm starting to love this bike more and more. Kind of scared me a little bit, but it's not too bad actually. Slip that down to first gear. Okay. We got a speed bump coming, 20 miles an hour. Okay, not too bad. I can't imagine going any faster than this, honestly. Car behind me is creeping up. It's kind of weird. Okay. Yes, baby. Second gear. We are shifting. We are moving and grooving, baby. Moving and grooving. Okay. Brake, brake, brake. Shifting in. First gear. Rear brake. Couldn't find it for a second, but got it. All right. We need to make Okay, we're going uphill. This is the hard part. It's the uphill battle. I didn't actually practice this uphill maneuvering, so probably gonna have to shift down, rear brake, look left, look right, continue on. There we go. Easy, baby. Easy moves. Speed limit is 20 miles an hour. I'm going 21. Watching out for the potholes. Trying not to run any lights. 26. Okay, that's a little bit of a wide turn, but I was really just trying to dodge that that pothole. We're in second gear. It's still a little janky for me as I deal with the, you know, gas and off and on throttle, but I'm literally trying my best to figure it out right now. Hopefully the guys behind me aren't assholes or whatever. But yeah, let's go right here and let's just brake. Gotta take my time. I need to relax. I'm getting flustered and I'm moving crazy. It feels like I'm going fast, but I'm literally only going like 20 miles an hour. Don't know how much faster the dude wants me to go, but maybe I'll get in the bike lane and let him pass me. Maybe that'll work. Oh shit, it's gravel. Let me keep this car, or the motorcycle, as straight as I can, because I'm kind of scared that this might freaking fly underneath me. There we go. All right, so as we continue to go, there's clearly these cars just trying to fly by me, but I'm trying to get hit here. So I'm going to lean in. There we go. There we go, nice and easy, nice and easy. It clearly seems obviously that people of New York don't want to hit me, so I'm kind of glad that I'm literally just like a freaking pedestrian in the world of bikes. And I'm super happy that the MSF has taught me so much, because I think that even now I don't think that I would be able to do all this stuff without that MSF course. And yes, it's been, you know, a full year since I've... Oh, that's a big pothole. Jesus Christ, I watch out for those bad boys. And like, yeah, you know, it's been a year since I've done the MSF, but kind of glad that I did it, because it's taught me like a lot. And like, I feel like definitely, like, even when it comes to just not forgetting things, oh, shit. I don't know at what point I'll ever break 30, only because I'm doing a lot of city riding. I'm kind of glad that I don't live in like middle of fucking nowhere, because I don't think I'd be able to do all this shit, honestly speaking. Okay, we're hitting this left turn. Nice, nice, nice. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Yeah, I'm going like 16 miles an hour. Let's pick up the pace a little bit. Yeah, I can feel that wind. Oh, this is fire! This is so fire! Hopefully you guys don't hear all this fucking wind going on, but this is so fire. Like, oh, the wind is just kissing my arms right now. Holy shit. I guess in this sense, I really can't imagine what the winter would be like. It might just suck ass. Or like maybe like, you know, what the rain feels like, or even like a windy day. Like, what does all this stuff feel like, you know? Oh, look at that green bike. It's like a KLR, KLX. Yeah, okay, so let's keep it pushing. Let's focus up. Once again, trying to stay on the right side of traffic. Not trying to hinder anybody, not trying to stop any. Oh, that's a big ass pothole. Holy fuck. You gotta watch out for these potholes. Shit. I forget that motorcycles are actual vehicles and they have suspension. I keep thinking I'm on like a little bicycle that has no sort of suspension. Okay, we're 48 minutes away from home. We've cut off maybe just about what, 10-15 minutes. This bike, as always, is just continuing to perform. It is a little dirty. Might have to get a little wash her down. But man, I am so happy that I got this bike. Like, it's just so crazy. Like, an MT-03 looks really small when it comes to like videos, but then the moment that, you know, sorry guys, need to focus up. Might fuck around and whiskey throttle by accident. Oh fuck, I've never ridden on metal before. This would be scary. This requires a lot of focus. This sun is fucking killing me. Damn, I still got shades for myself. I'm sorry YouTube for cursing. I keep cursing so much, I don't know why. Okay. There's an ambulance, a random ambulance here. Did this dude fall off his bike or something? God. Oh my god, I hope he's okay. Alright, let's lock back in. Nice work, nice work. We are making some good progress here. Oh, here we go, rear brake. There we go. Going straight. No cars behind, thank God. There's going to be a stop sign in front of us. Just get ready to stop. Clutch in, down to first. Rear brake, rear brake, rear brake, and then there we go. And then let's slowly creep up. Slowly creep up. let's keep it pushing. Wow. Going about 15 miles an hour, like I'm not even going proper speed limit. You guys can definitely see my speed the entire way home. And like, you know, I think over time I'll probably get used to the speed, but I'm trying to, you know, average at least like 15, 20 miles. Still kind of wanky on the shifting here. There's the stop sign for us. I'm going to clutch in, going to brake, and then I'm going to just go.
What's going on, guys? It's Easy. Before we continue on with the vlog, I just want to mention the reason why I stalled at this intersection was because I was trying to roll from a stop in second gear. So obviously, as I went back to review the footage, I realized that I was in second gear trying to roll, which is why I stalled. So I hope you guys understand. But yeah, I think I've definitely learned from that mistake. I definitely should have downshifted, but I think I was just so focused on trying not to run the stop sign that I completely forgot to shift down. But also because I'm such a noob. But yeah.
Let's clutch in. Let's rear brake. Let's do that. Yeah, for some reason. Okay. Lights green. Lights ours. Fucking dude at the gas station was being a dumbass. Gonna rear brake here. Slow down. 39 minutes to go. We got 5 miles to go till we get home, which I think is great news. Okay, it's hour light. Gonna clutch in, downshift, rear brake. "38 minutes. My phone's on like E. Hope we can make it. Intersections are the most scariest part. I didn't even consider those kids in front of us. I'm literally just trying to lock in and drive the bike like RIP to that bike. Okay. We are turning at the next light, it seems like, or at the next intersection, which doesn't have a light. So it seems that means that we're gonna have to watch out for any people that are coming in our way. Yeah, and then for some reason my we turn right on Melrose. There's a stop sign in front of us right here. We're going to we're going to shift down and we're going to brake. Okay, and then we're going to just go. Fuck. Fucking stalled for the first time. Okay, so I stalled because I've never gone uphill before, but I can't wait for the ladies to go first. Maybe I'll cross because everybody got to go. I'm not trying to stall in front of nobody, honestly. I am out of breath. Put the dogs. Okay. Now then, let's go ahead. Holy fuck. Holy shit, that was scary. I almost killed myself just now. Speed bump. Okay, clearly I can't ride on hills, or I don't know how to, at least. So that's not new, I guess. Okay. We're doing this for another mile, so I guess we're gonna stick to one road. If anybody wants to pass, they can pass on the left if they like, but I'm going to stick to the 15-20 mile an hour range here and just focus on maintaining focus and speed. Maybe I can shift into third gear. Well, it's actually going to be red soon, so what I'll do is I'm probably going to clutch in first gear, brake, and just brake all the way through until I can't brake no more. I'm gonna throw this bad boy into neutral. I will say, with 28 minutes remaining, I am proud of myself. I think that I've made it. I have not dropped a bike yet, God willing. Know what to knock on, but oh, mom is moving. Don't want to drop it at all. My belly kind of hurts. I don't know if it's because I haven't eaten yet or anything like that, but yeah, we'll see what happens here. I'm just going to continue to focus on staying in the left lane. I know I kind of ran the red, but fuck it. almost stalled there. Miles an hour. We're going 13, so not too bad. Speed limit is 25. I'm going like 14. People are probably either asking what the fuck am I doing, or they're probably know that I'm pretty much a new rider, but either or. This is gonna be hard. It's not as easy as driving a moped, that's for sure. So I would say that I started on the Revel scooters, which I have bust my ass on once before, and I think since that ride I've done like maybe one. Let me focus up real quick. There we go. I didn't even have to put my foot down for that baby. I just burned the shit out of my clutch. 120 miles an hour. Yeah, I'm not gonna run that fucking light. Fuck it. I don't need to. A bug just like went flying towards my head. I don't know if you guys saw that, but yeah. Holy snapples. Oh. We're 25 minutes away from home. This is beautiful. I love this bike. Oh shit. I'm scared. We are moving on this MT-03. What? Watch out, pigeon. Watch out, birdie. All right, this is smooth. This is nice. Yeah, I'm trying to talk about it. I keep stuttering. I was gonna talk about you know, obviously wanting to passenger my Pokey, but the way that I'm riding this motherfucker, I don't even know. So I think I'm gonna take really a whole year to really lock in. I do want to get a car too, so maybe I'll showcase that. I wouldn't want like a, you know, nicer car, or whatever the case may be. But we're currently in Brooklyn, I think. I'm sure we are. There's no doubt in my mind that we're in Brooklyn. I work in the city, and I feel like, thank God I live in Brooklyn, because this is pretty chill. Like, for someone that has never owned a motorcycle, it's probably someone that lives in Brooklyn. It's not, you know, it's not too much traffic out here, like mopeds and e-bikes and food deliveries. Like, yeah, no, for sure, like it exists, but I just don't think it's as bad as, you know, folks make it seem. So there's that. Hopefully this fucking Jeep doesn't cut me off, because I will die if he does. Cooked myself just now. Yeah. He was like, thanks, man. I'm like, brother, I almost fucking died. I don't know what you're saying thanks for. I almost cooked myself. I think I need to do better with the takeoff. I think once I can do that, I think I'll be solid. We are almost home. We are clutching, brake. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. just gonna wait. I wonder why my fans are spinning on the MT-03. I don't know if it's like running hot or what the case may be, but we got another 1.4 miles to go. We are literally almost home. Almost home, baby. Almost home. Oh my God. I'm so happy that I got the footage for all this. But yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. We're almost home. Literally. I am low-key so tired, like obviously from death gripping the entire bike. Like I know I'm supposed to be grabbing it like this, but I find it fucking impossible to do anything like this without dying or feel like I'm dying. And then it's like all the misfits in the city kind of like know how to ride motorcycles like it's nothing, and it's like this shit is fucking heavy, you know. I know it's like 300 and some change pounds, but goddamn, like this, I don't know why I always underestimate bikes and how big they are, and maybe it's because of the content creators that I watch, but I just feel like this bike stuff is just, it's no joke when it comes to, you know, guys obviously running yellow lights and stuff like that, but it's just even that light. I'm confused. It's a little bit of play here. I don't know about this. When you're at a stop on the motorcycle, this shit gets hot. Yeah, so we're gonna be going straight for 1.3 miles. Kind of happy that nobody else has honked at me since the last person had, but I can't imagine getting a 600 as the first bike, or as a first bike, honestly. I think that I would, yeah, thanks for cutting me off, you piece of shit. I think that I would die. I'm literally just trying to stay alive here. But yeah, on a 600, I think I would like die immediately. Going, according to my thing, 15 miles an hour. That's a stop sign. Okay, we're okay on gas right now. I think it's literally where I went to high school at. I think once I could shift smoothly on the motorcycle, I think I'll feel a lot more confident in my abilities to ride this thing. But this almost feels like driving manual all over again, and like for me, manual was self-taught, so I literally like once again had made a bad decision. Probably like one of the most dickiest moves that I could have done. I was supposed to sell my starter car to my girlfriend. I couldn't wait, so then I sold the car quicker, and in turn, hold on, let me lock in. It's fucking traffic everywhere. lock in real quick. Yeah, RIP my clutch.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Uzimoto. As we get, I don't know why I'm stuttering, but as we get near the end of the video, I kind of just want to talk about, or say thank you for getting this far, or getting to the end of the video. I know this video is pretty long, but I just couldn't shorten it anymore without showing you guys my true raw just thoughts and like feelings, especially when it comes to like riding for the first time and being from and riding in New York City. It's definitely not what I expected. I think that my view of like, you know, watching riders like Jigsaw and Fastlane D and then being from other states that it's not as populated as New York City, I thought this would be pretty easy. And yes, although realistically speaking, like holistically, riding the motorcycle in this video got easier to do. I think in the beginning, just using that clutch, I'm kind of happy that I was able to navigate my way home. I ended up picking up the bike from Queens, and I had to drive or ride about maybe like 10 miles. So like I was heading back towards Brooklyn, and that entire ride took about an hour. I did take the MSF course, so I wasn't like doubting myself or anything like that, but what I will say is that it's definitely a lot more than what I expected. You'll also see in the video that I only have my gloves, my helmet, but I didn't expect to pick up the bike so soon, so I do have gear. I do have the boots, I have riding pants from Dainese, if I'm saying that right. Majority of my gear is from Dainese. I'm about to upgrade my riding jackets. And then I got the KYT Revo. I'm probably gonna have it in the video, just kind of showcasing my gear and like what I used to ride. Being that I'm riding in like, you know, urban area, I don't think I'll get a racing suit or anything like that. But I do want to upgrade to leather. Nonetheless, like I said, I'm just trying to wrap up the end of the video. My camera ended up dying, so this is pretty much my outro. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys, you know, have any feedback for me as a new rider, or like anything you would want to see at the next video, please let me know. Obviously my goal is to kind of document my journey as I am a beginner, quite literally. Got my MSF license or MSF certification, I think it was in 2023 to 2024, and I really wanted a bike in 2024, but then ended up getting it in 2026. So yeah. And I ended up getting the 2024 Yamaha MT-03, which I do not regret at all. And yeah, without further ado, your boy Uzi's out. Peace.